G'day everybody, Strummin Steve here with a great Aussie song today. It's called The Sounds of Them, and in brackets, this is Australia. Great Aussie band, Gang Jang, wrote it in 85. Used in a Coca-Cola ad. This one, in 87, it featured in the film North Shore. Now in 2018, it was voted the 7th best Australian song of all time. So there you go. It's got some Australianisms in it, so just bear with me. It'll all come clear in the end. It goes like this. I think I hear the sounds of them, people talking, scenes recalled by my new movement, the songs they fall from the back and take that certain texture, a certain smell to lie in sweat. Sheets and brick veneer on finance beds in a room of silent hearty flicks. That certain texture, a certain smell brings back the heavy days, brings back the nighttime swell. Go out on the patio we sit, and the humidity we breathe. We watch the lightning crackle the cane field. Faces west along diagonals, sloping to, and in the distance, through the heat haze, convoys of silence, the cattle graze. That certain texture, such a beat, brings back the nighttime heat. Go out on the patio we sit, and the humidity we breathe. We watch the lightning crackle the cane field. Faces rest along diagonal, sloping to, in the distance, through the heat haze, convoys of silence, the cattle raise. That certain texture, that certain beat, brings back the nighttime heat. Go out on the patio we sit, and the humidity we breathe. We watch the lightning crackle the cane field. Yeah, I live in a place called Queensland in Australia, and if you drive up north a little bit, you sit on the patio of the houses up there, watch the lightning crack over the cane fields, and think to yourself, yep, this is Australia. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Let me know. Please subscribe if you'd like to, and I'll see you in the next one.